Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I just wanted to do a quick video and say thank you very much. I now have a video that has over 1,000 views. It's this increment and decrement, and those of you who are subscribers probably have not seen this one because mostly this video is watched by people who are not subscribers. I forget where it is. It's like right here, I think. So yeah, over 98% are not subscribers. But I cannot believe, I didn't know how this would go, but I remember my first video that was really viewed a lot. It was this number triangle video, and it was just a video that takes counts and makes a triangle shape and increments down. It's a nested for loop, and then all of a sudden, and all these videos are very early on. I think the increment video is number 26, and then the triangle video I think was later. Yeah, it was a couple videos later. So these are way at the beginning. So if you go and look at these things, the video's not shaped properly. I don't think I had my good microphone yet. But thank you very much for all the views and all the subscribers. Yeah, as of today, a total of 7,416 views, and 1,015 were this little increment and decrement. And here's a list of all the other videos, but I just can't say thank you enough to all the comments, all the likes. It's very humbling. I would always hear people say that, and I just thought it was all made up. But for someone or a group of people to sit and just watch your videos and give you feedback and say and just say thank you, it's very humbling, and I get it now. But we'll just pick up next video where we have left off. Have a couple of ideas, but also if there are any videos that you've searched for that you can't find, please don't hesitate to ask, because that's the whole point of this. Because when I was starting out, I was kind of guessing what videos wanted to be seen, and some of them hit well and did well, but quite a few of them didn't. So this channel is to help you. So if there are any videos that you want to see, because I would have never thought increment and decrement would have been as important as it was, so I learned a lot with that one. But please don't hesitate to ask, and I will get right on it, because this channel's here for you and for me to get better at helping you. So thanks again, guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.